everyone, and welcome to the channel. My name is Jene, and tonight we're going to do a full post review on some Christmas cards that I purchased from the TakeWealth store off of AliExpress. And we're going to find the 200 subscriber giveaway winner. Stay tuned. On this channel, we do unboxings, tips and tricks, recommendations, and full post reviews just like this one. So let's jump into that video. Again, hello everyone, and as you can see, I've got some beautiful Christmas cards to show you. They are completed. Well, most of them are. I still have a few I've got to finish, but I wanted to share these with you now because after I share these cards with you, I am going to pick my winner for the giveaway for my 200 subscribers. So let's get into this, and then we will find out who wins the beautiful diamond pen from Diamond Pens. So where did I get these beautiful cards? I got these from TakeWealth official store off of AliExpress. I bought 2 of the 4-pack crystal Christmas cards, and I bought 2 packs of the 8 regular rounds, so they look like this. So I'm just going to show you the crystals first because those ones I do have done, and here's one of them. This is a beautiful bell, and I really enjoyed putting these together. They were really quick, fun to do. I still feel that I need to seal them. They're not sticky, but I really want those drills to stay in place. And nice thing is you open up the card, it's got this cute little raccoon on a sled. So I'm trying to get rid of the glare on the card, but yeah, cute little raccoon and his penguin friend and a couple of birds down here. And then on this side you can fill out some information and send this off as a regular Christmas card. Also, on the back it has Merry Christmas and 2 bells here. So really nice. So those are the bells. Then you have Rudolph here, which I think turned out cute as a button. So again, open that up and now you've got the snowman. And again, place to write your message. Little gingerbread man sitting up here. And then back here says Merry Christmas. So that is Rudolph. And then we have Santa Claus. So it says Merry Christmas on the bottom. And again, open it up. You got a big snowman there. Place to write your message, and again, Merry Christmas. And the cards feel like really nice cards. They're not that flimsy stuff. So Christmas tree, this one turned out really pretty. And again, let me just see if I can get that out of the way. Sorry for the glare. I'm just really trying to keep the glare from it, but really beautiful, beautiful card. Again, open it up and you've got a raccoon with the penguin, gingerbread over here on the side, and then place to write your message. And again, it says, we wish you Merry Christmas. So those are the crystal drill cards. Now I got 2 sets of 4 because there are only 4 different cards. And I paid $12.42 for both sets. Now the other ones, here is the bell. Now these are just regular facets. These do not have crystals, but I think they turned out pretty good. Says Merry Christmas on the bottom. The bells turned out beautiful. Again, open it up. Oops. And it gives you place to write your message down below here. It says Merry Christmas, and then on the back it is like this. So this card, like I said, I think this turned out really pretty. And the drills are really shiny. Now I have not sealed this one either, so I'm hoping to seal these when it gets a little bit warmer, hopefully in the next few days. We have been getting a lot of really cold weather. In fact, we just got, I would say, maybe 3 inches of snow. Yeah, you can tell in my voice I am not happy. I don't want the snow. So if anyone wants the snow, please let me know and I'll have it shipped down directly to you. Okay, so that's the bells. And here is Santa Claus. It says Merry Christmas on the bottom. So the drill area is the Santa's face, the mitts, the Christmas tree, and the word Merry Christmas. Again, open it up and you write your message here. It says Merry Christmas up here, and that's what the back of this one looks like. So let me show you the ones that I have not finished yet, and they do come with envelopes. I just have the envelopes separate, and I gotta find, oh, there they are. And I gotta find the cards. I misplaced them. All right. No. Okay, so these are the cards I still have to do. So there is a snowman, and this one, the entire snowman is your drill field. And I'll tell you, the drill field on these cards, excellent, excellent. So there's 2 of those. And then here we've got Rudolph again. So you're going to be putting drills on Rudolph around his antlers, and then the Merry Christmas. And then we have another Santa with, looks like a little polar bear there. And I'm not sure what that might be a deer over here. And yeah, really pretty. Your drill area again is basically right in here. And open that up. Isn't that beautiful inside that card? Look at the detail on those deers and stuff. It's just beautiful. And there's the back of that card. I don't think I showed you the inside of Rudolph. Let's see. Oh, basically the same thing. All right, and then we've got a unicorn with candy canes, and basically it's just the unicorn that will have drills on it. And here's the inside of this card. And then we have another Santa. And oh, the inside of this one is same as the others. And then we have one more Santa here. This one reminds me of the original Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer cartoon. I just love it. Just love it. It's my favorite cartoon, and so that's why I was really happy to see this one, because this one reminds me of the Santa that's on that cartoon. So let's open up the card and take a look in the inside as well. So there's the inside of this card. And there's the back. So I am trying to get these cards put together as quickly as possible. I have a craft show coming up, and I really would like to get these cards done before the craft show, and I think I've got 2 weeks left before I have to get these done. Scary. So those are my Christmas cards. I'm just going to put this one in here as well. So I'm going to put these away, and then we are going to do the 200 subscriber giveaway random generator. All right, so does everybody remember what you're going to be receiving for the 200 subscriber giveaway? I bet you do. I bet you do. It is going to be this gorgeous pin that I've already got it prepared and ready for shipping. So I don't think you're going to see it in the bubble wrap, but it is ready for shipping. This is called Moonstone Water, and it is a beautiful, beautiful pen. Now, all of the attachments, you know, the spacers and the multi-placers are in the bag with the pen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the camera, get it set up so we can go see that generator and see who our winner is. Good luck, everyone, and I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, we've got that link in the box here. We've found that there are 30 comments, so let's find out who that winner is. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. Sensational Crafter. All right, so Sensational Crafter, please get a hold of me. My email will be down below in the description, and that way I can send this beautiful pin to you as soon as possible. So congratulations to Sensational Crafter, and I look forward to hearing from you. Also, everyone, thank you so much for your support. It is so greatly appreciated. I am so blown away that this morning I checked my numbers again and I just was amazed. So again, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are so greatly appreciated. I love reading your comments, and I'm just really excited. Thank you so much for everything, and we will be right back. Again, congratulations to Sensational Crafter, and please contact me as soon as possible. My email will be down below in the description. Also, guys, thank you again from the bottom of my heart. You guys are so greatly appreciated, and I know I'm repeating myself, but I can't help it. I am so touched and honored, and I can't thank you enough for all of your support. So by saying that, guys, if you like the video, give it that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you didn't like the video, I'm okay with that. But if you can let me know what you didn't like about the video down below in the comments, I would greatly appreciate that. That way it helps me improve my videos in the future. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy do. And if you like what you see and you like what you heard, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join the family. Also, don't forget to hit the bell. The bell will indicate when I've uploaded my next video. So if this is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. And if this is afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if this is evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name's Jene, and thank you for joining me tonight on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Bye, guys.